Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about the Family Search Discovery section, but on the FamilySearch app. So first things first, I'm on a Droid-based phone. It has a Droid-based operating system. I don't know what the iPhone or iOS operating system looks like on the FamilySearch app or how any of that stuff works. It should be pretty similar, but if it's not, I'm super sorry. I don't know how that works. I'm a Droid person. But if you're a Droid person, you can probably follow along really easily. So yeah, sorry for iOS people. Another quick warning I should probably give you guys is I have my phone connected to my computer. So the imaging may not be the greatest quality and it may be a little delayed or a little blurry at times. That's just because I have my phone connected to my computer and then my computer recording. Just by doing that, I tend to not get the greatest quality sometimes, so please work with me on that. So first things first is we're going to need to get the FamilySearch app if you guys haven't. So I'm going to go to my Play Store. And I'm going to type in FamilySearch, and it's going to pull up the FamilySearch app because I already have it. You'll want to get the FamilySearch Tree app, not the FamilySearch Memories app, this one right here. You don't want that one. You want the FamilySearch Tree app. It should be white with like the same FamilySearch icon, and that's what you'll want to download. I can't install it because I already have it, so my option is open. So I'm going to close this and go back to my LDS Church family history page. So once you've downloaded the FamilySearch app, it should be like right here in the top right hand corner, this little white icon. It has the family tree logo or the FamilySearch logo, and then underneath it says family tree. That's what the icon should look like, not the green one that says memories. That's the FamilySearch memories. We're not going there today. So you'll click into it and you'll log into FamilySearch just like you would when you're going onto the website. So I'm going to click on it and log in. So I've clicked on the app and now I've logged in. Sorry for the blurs, but I've got to keep my family life private. But this is what it looks like when you first get in. It normally shows your pedigree or your family tree. And then you have a green bar at the top with little tasks you can do. Going from the right to the left, the top right one is a magnifying glass or a search option. I have a video on that, but we're not going to do that one. The next is the arrow that makes a circle and then it looks kind of like a clock. Those are recent people you've viewed on FamilySearch. But once again, I'm not going to click on that. What we're going to go to is the three little line icon in the top left. If you click on that, it gives you a list of things that you can do here on FamilySearch. So you can go to your pedigree, your ancestors with past, temple, search historical records, relatives around me, maps of my ancestors, family history activities, that's what we're going to go to, memories, and messages and memories. Sorry, kind of flip those ones around. So anyway, if you click on the three little line icon, it brings up a list of tasks that you can do. And today we are going to focus on the family history activities. So if we click on that, so it pretty much brings up the FamilySearch Discovery page. If you guys have ever been there, it looks kind of like this. And if you haven't, I recommend watching my videos on that. That will be in the description box below, along with other things you can do on the FamilySearch app, just in case you guys want to know how to do other things on the FamilySearch app. Anyway, but this is pretty much going to be the exact same as the FamilySearch Discovery section. It has the in-home activities, all about me, comparing faces, and picture my heritage. It doesn't have all of them, but it has these major 4 ones. And you can click on an activity or click on a section. Let's go with like in-home activities. And what it's going to do is it's now going to open up your internet browser and bring you to FamilySearch. So you can go through that section on FamilySearch, the FamilySearch Discovery in-home activities, and then you can go through and view the activities. So you could be like keeping a journal my way, and then you can learn about keeping a journal and why that's important to doing family history work. And then you can be down here at the bottom, go to like the next activity and learn about my voice and my experience and read how to do that activity. And then sometimes they'll have this little thing right here that says like record my story, and it will actually bring you to a new section on FamilySearch Discovery that will be all about recording your stories. If you want to learn more about that, once again, I've done a video on that, and that will be in the description box below. And once you've completed the activity, you can come up here to the top and say I did it, or you could see how many other people have done it, or in how many stars they've rated it. It's averaged at 4.6, this activity, on how awesome it is. Or you can come up to the very top and you can share on other social medias, or you can go back and view other activities. So, and then you can just go through the list. Be really blurry, sorry. And view other cool activities. So yeah, this is at least the FamilySearch Discovery in-home activities section. So I'm gonna hit my back arrow. Okay, and now it's taking me back to the FamilySearch app, and I can go and view these other sections. Pretty much what's gonna happen if I go to any of these other sections for the activities is it going to then go to my internet browser and open them up on my internet browser. So this one, once again, just brought me to my internet browser and it's asking me to sign in. It's kind of really dumb how the app just takes you to the internet browser to do these FamilySearch Discovery activities. I wish that it actually opened them up in the app so I don't have to go to the website and then log in and then have to deal with the website, which I've already done videos on how to do it on the website. I wish they would have been cool on opening them up in the app. And I wish they had all the activities that you could do on the website in the app, not just these 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 main hit activities. I do find it kind of dumb that they do that. But as we've learned with FamilySearch in the past, they are slowly working on updating systems and new things. And in time, I bet they will allow us to open up these activities in the app and be able to do the activities in the app versus clicking on the activity and then having it open up the web browser. So I'm sorry that it brings up the web browser, but if you guys want to learn how to do any of these activities or then some in the FamilySearch Discovery section, I have done videos on all those sections and they are linked in the description box below. I know I already said that. I'm sorry. I'm just a repetitive machine today. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys, is that you can do the activities on the FamilySearch Discovery section here on your phone, but they're not as cool and awesome as I hope them to be. Maybe one day in the future they will be. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys that. So I'm kind of sorry that this video wasn't like super great and awesome, and I kind of just barely explained like how any of these activities work. And I'm sorry that this section on the FamilySearch app isn't as cool. I hope they do update it soon. Have any questions, please comment below. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you guys have any suggestions on anything else I should film, please also comment below. And I hope you guys all have a beautiful week. Bye.